The joy of a new beginning. As the school reopening day was approaching, Bunny's happiness knew no bounds. Although he felt a little sad that the holidays were ending, he was even more excited that school was about to begin again. Everything was new: new uniforms, new books, pens, pencil box, geometry box, and a new school bag. Filled with excitement, Bunny went to his mother, Sandhya, and said, "Mom, the new books have arrived. We need to cover them, stick labels on them, and write my name." Sandhya smiled and replied, "I'll put the covers on the books. You can stick the labels and write your name on them." Thus, the preparations for the reopening day began. Once the books were ready, Bunny arranged his pencil box neatly. His uniforms were also kept ready. Sandhya then said to Bunny, "Just as playing is important, study is equally important. Moving from a smaller class to a higher class means that your responsibilities have increased. You should prepare a timetable accordingly." "Sure, Mom," said Bunny. After some time, Bunny said, "I'll play for a while in our garden." "All right, I'll come with you," said Sandhya. Both of them went into the garden. The seeds they had planted a few days earlier had sprouted. Some had become tiny plants, while others had grown a little taller. Sandhya felt very happy seeing them. She showed the plants to Bunny and said, "Look, Bunny, do you see how these seeds sprouted? First, they were planted in the soil, and slowly they grow step by step. In the same way, if we do our work according to a proper plan, we can reach great heights." Bunny's eyes sparkled with understanding. "Yes, Mom, when it's time to study, I'll study, and when it is time to play, I'll play," he said wisely. Sandhya was delighted. She plucked a mango from the mango tree, washed it near the tap, cut it into pieces, and she called Bunny and said, "This mango is from our garden, and I know it's your favorite. Take it and enjoy it while sitting on the swing." Bunny happily sat on the swing, ate his favorite mango, and later played with his friends. In the evening, Bunny spent an hour studying. After that, he packed his school bag carefully. The next morning, he went to school with great excitement and happiness and began a new academic year with joy. Moral: success grows step by step, just like a seed grows into a plant.